Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the 4-box break. It's 9, 10, 16 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll, we're doing participants first. We're going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That one. And the teams, we're going 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Random is complete, and the teams are Zach O'Toole, Celtics; Lalaga, Knicks; Williams, Bulls; Hodgins, Warriors; Jamison, Mavericks; Wells, Sixers; Rowbottom, Grizz; Thorpe, Suns; Price, Raptors; Costa, Pacers; Farrow, Magic; Beswick, Hornets; Amos, Pistons; Perinara, Kings; Klein, Blazers; Donny, Wizards; Cannon, Jazz; Mulvey, Hawks; Costa, Cavs; O'Toole, Heat; Ash Peters, Rockets; Climbers, Wolves; Rowbottom, Spurs; Witkowski, Bucks; George Taylor again with the Pelicans. He's a lucky person with the Pelicans. Kerry Scott, Nets; Aaron Price, Nuggets; Dobell, Clippers; Jeremy Wells, Thunder; and TJ Perinara with the Lakers. Mr. Taylor, Jesus, the luckiest man. Last time he was Pelicans and got this checkerboard. Now this time he's got Pelicans again. What will come?